Hi guys, today we're going to talk about some exercises for people who are suffering from simple mechanical lower back pain. Now, it's really important when you're doing these exercises that you listen to your body and make sure that none of them are causing you any real pain. Now, a little bit of discomfort is to be expected. That's not necessarily something to worry about, but you're going to work to your own limits. So you're going to take it up to the point where you start to feel that discomfort, but I don't want you to push past that into real pain. Okay, so if anything doesn't feel right, do stop and get it checked out by a professional. Okay, so we're going to start in an all fours position. This is a position I use with a lot of my clients. A lot of people experiencing back pain find this is quite a comfortable position to start working from. So I'm going to start here. The hands are going to be about shoulder width apart. The hand is underneath the shoulder and the knee is underneath the hip. So my back is supported in this position. And we're going to start just by doing a basic mobilization. So I'm going to arch up and then I'm going to arch down. I'm going to go from one to the other. Some people call this the cat-camel stretch. And the important thing again is that I'm only taking it as far as is comfortable. So for somebody who's experiencing pain, you may only be getting this far. You may not be going all the way to the end of range. That's okay, just take it as far as you can. And we're just going to do this a number of times. As you do it, you may find that any stiffness starts to ease off and you start to get a little bit more movement, but don't force it. Okay. A few more. Then we're going to go back to that middle position here and I'm going to rock backwards and forwards. So again, sometimes people with back pain will find one of these movements more problematic than the others. I only want you to take it as far as is comfortable. What we're trying to do is we're trying to put some movement through the back in a nice, gentle, easy fashion at the moment. This is a good exercise to repeat if you've been sat or stood in one place for a while and your back feels like it's starting to tighten up or to tense up. You can just do a few of these. Sometimes it can really help to ease things off. So the next thing I'm going to do, and this is building into a sequence of exercises I call the bird dog. Okay, I'm going to find that middle position, so not arched up, not down, halfway in between. I'm going to imagine I'm balancing a glass of water on my hips and I don't want to spill it. Okay, and there, I'm going to tense my muscles here and I'm just going to slowly straighten one leg. Now, depending on how much pain you're in, you may find that too much. Some of my patients just start to take the leg back a little bit here. Some of them get as far as straightening the leg and lifting it slightly. And some people can go all the way to here. So you're going to work to your own level. Okay, and then when we've done that, we're going to try it on the other side. Now, everyone finds they have a good side and a bad side. So one side may be easier to keep your pelvis nice and level than the other side. What we want to avoid is any twisting here or dropping of the hips here. Okay. If that's feeling quite easy, what you can start to do is you can start to introduce some arm movement as well. Okay. Again, it's important that you work to your level, so don't try and do too much too soon. Okay. One more. And then take a breather. Okay. Now, the amount you're going to be able to do very much depends on the stage you're at with the back pain. So If it's relatively mild pain, you may be able to do a full session of this straight away. If you're in more pain, you may have to build it up more gradually. Just start by doing a few reps and then stopping. So again, I want you to work to your own level. If you can't complete the amount of the exercise that we're doing here, that's okay. Just stop and we'll come back to it.